Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss how you can tackle the problem you are not old enough to use Instagram or Instagram verify your age, which means if you put your Instagram age under 13 then Instagram will not allow you to use Instagram. For this you have to verify your age. Mostly the people enter the age mistakenly under 13. Now if you want to solve this error and you are allowed to verify your age, then I will tell you how you can fix this. First of all, you have to open a browser in your Android device. After that you have to open a new tab. In new tab you have to paste the link I will provide you in the description. After you paste that link, then you will find this kind of form in your Android device, in which you have to first of all write your full name. After that you have to write your email address. After that you have to write your Instagram username, and after that you have to mention your original age or date of birth which is on your ID. After that you have to upload a valid ID which is verified and which can also verify your age. If you send this ID to Instagram, after that you can also mention any additional information you want to share with the Instagram team. After that you have filled all the required things in that form. You can click on settings. After click on send, and all the information will be sent to Instagram, and within 48 to 72 hours your account will be recovered if your age is verified by the ID you have provided. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.